Come test drive 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heated and cooled front seats, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, security system, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, CD player, power windows. Your new ride is just a phone call away.